Know your steps for successful injection. This video is intended to provide instruction on how to use the epinephrine injection USP auto-injector. The patient or caregiver should practice and watch this video carefully before using the epinephrine injection USP auto-injector. The epinephrine injection USP auto-injector comes in two strengths. The auto-injector with an orange label is the 0.15 milligram and is for patients weighing 33 to 66 pounds. The auto-injector with a yellow label is the 0.3 milligram and is for patients weighing more than 66 pounds. It is best practice to check the auto-injector often. Look at the medicine in the epinephrine auto-injector through the viewing window regularly. If it looks cloudy, or has particles in it, or is discolored, or if the expiration date has passed, the epinephrine auto-injector should be replaced. Do not remove the blue caps until you're ready to use. When ready to inject, complete step 1. Remove epinephrine injection USP auto-injector from its protective case. Twist and pull apart the protective case to reveal the auto-injector. Pull off both blue end caps. You will now see a red tip. The needle comes out of the red tip. To avoid accidental injection, never put your thumb, fingers, or hand over the red tip. Grasp the auto-injector in your fist with the red tip pointing downward. Step 2. Put the red tip against the middle of your outer thigh or upper leg at a 90-degree angle, perpendicular to the thigh. Press down hard and hold firmly against the thigh for approximately 10 seconds to deliver the medicine. Only inject into the middle of the outer thigh. Do not inject into any other part of the body. Remove epinephrine injection USP auto-injector from the thigh. Massage the area for 10 seconds. Check the red tip. The injection is complete and you have received the correct dose of the medicine if you see the needle sticking out of the red tip. It is normal for medicine to remain in the auto-injector after the dose is injected. If the needle is exposed, do not attempt to re-inject. If you do not see the needle, repeat step 2. Step 3. Get emergency medical help right away. You may need further medical attention. You may need to use a second epinephrine injection USP auto-injector if symptoms continue or recur. Step 4. Lay the black half of the carrying case cover down on a flat surface. Use only one hand to carefully slide the end of the auto-injector, needle first, into the black carrying case cover. After the needle is inside the black cover, push the colored half of the carrying case cover firmly over the non-needle end of the auto-injector. Take your used epinephrine injection USP auto-injector with you when you go to see a healthcare provider. Tell the healthcare provider that you have received an injection of epinephrine. Show the healthcare provider where you received the injection. Give your used epinephrine injection USP auto-injector to the healthcare provider for inspection and proper disposal. Ask for a refill if needed. Epinephrine injection USP auto-injector is a single-use injectable device that delivers a fixed dose of epinephrine. A separate epinephrine injection USP auto-injector trainer is available. The epinephrine injection USP auto-injector trainer has a beige color. The beige epinephrine injection USP auto-injector trainer contains no medicine and has no needle. Practice with your epinephrine injection USP auto-injector trainer, but always carry your real epinephrine injection USP auto-injector in case of an allergic emergency. Do not try to take the epinephrine injection USP auto-injector apart. It is essential to practice and become familiar with your epinephrine auto-injector. The Lineage epinephrine injection USP auto-injector is a disposable pre-filled automatic injection device autoinjector, used to treat life-threatening allergic emergencies, including anaphylaxis in people who are at risk for or have a history of serious allergic emergencies. The Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector is for immediate self or caregiver administration and does not take the place of emergency medical care. You should get emergency medical help right away after using the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector. Each device delivers a single dose of epinephrine, even though you may see liquid in the autoinjector after activating. The Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector should only be injected into the middle of your outer thigh or upper leg. Do not inject the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector into your veins, buttocks, fingers, toes, hands, or feet. If you accidentally inject the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector into any other part of your body, go to the nearest emergency room right away. Tell the healthcare provider where on your body you received the accidental injection. Before you use the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector, tell your healthcare provider about all of your medical conditions, especially if you have heart problems or high blood pressure, have diabetes, have thyroid problems, have asthma, have a history of depression, have Parkinson's disease, have any other medical conditions, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, are breastfeeding or plan to breastfeed. Tell your healthcare provider about all the medicines you take, including prescription and over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements. Tell your healthcare provider of all known allergies. Especially tell your healthcare provider if you take certain asthma medicines. Common side effects of the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector include faster, irregular, or pounding heartbeat, sweating, headache, weakness, shakiness, paleness, feelings of overexcitement, nervousness, or anxiety, dizziness, nausea or vomiting, breathing problems. These side effects may go away with rest. Tell your healthcare provider if you have any side effect that bothers you or does not go away. These are not all the possible side effects of the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector. For more information, ask your healthcare provider or pharmacist. You're encouraged to report negative side effects of prescription drugs to the FDA. Visit www.fda.gov/medwatch or call 1-800-FDA-1088 for full prescribing information and video instructions on the use of the Lineage epinephrine injection USP autoinjector. Go to www.epinephrineautoinject.com or call 1-888-894-6528.